All right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today me and Scotty's gonna work on the stump grinder. Pulled up to the job today, and as soon as I unloaded it, I heard a noise. What's going on? And come to find out, I don't know, man. Somehow I know that these fins broke. So now I've got to put a new fan on it, and yeah, and then that twisted this belt. So we're gonna loosen that, put two new belts. I already called Rayco and ordered this new part from to replace this. That was like $265 or whatever. And yeah, the struggle bus is real, buddy. Some days, some weeks. It's just starting out too. It's Monday. Anyway, I unloaded it. I was gonna grind two maple stumps real quick and collect some money, but no, we're here. We're gonna fix it. Me and Scotty. Look, huh? The fan's broke.
You didn't get the radiator, did it? Oh, hell. I don't see the radiator leaking anywhere, do you?
No, but
I don't know what it is.
dude,
Can you get another one of them blades? This gets
is
down.
that not crazy? That is like,
It's old. It's just deteriorated. It's all it's done.
oh my God.
As long as you ain't got no leak in that radiator, you'll be all right if you can get that thing. You can't run that sucker without a cooler. Where do you get one of them suckers at?
I had to order it from the manufacturer.
Oh, man.
I've never. You see what happens, guys?
Yeah, something always.
The project at hand, take this off, probably take the whole radiator and everything. The bolts are in the front and on the other side. I got a diagram. When I called Rayco, they sent me a diagram what it looks like. What is that, half?
116. That's something put your bolts in.
Should be that little.
There's a little magnet.
Right, hey, look over here. That carrier thing. I got caps for them.
Dude.
Yeah.
Better put something under it.
Hold on. It's always good to have an assortment of plugs when you're working on hydraulics.
There's something put under it. Find your plug put in there.
Yep. Make it. Try this. Five-eighths. They also said this fan shroud right here was on back order, by the way, 40 days. They're still having parts problems getting parts in, but they'll charge you for it, have you on the waiting list until you get it, by the way. If you have one of these machines, Rayco RG50 Super.
There you go. See if you can break that loose. God, damn.
Did you get it?
I don't know.
Oh yeah. You want to bring the oil over here?
God dang.
Oh, hold on. Cap it. I got it. Oh, mine, this is 3/4. Be curious, this is a 3/4. Cap down here. And that looks like 5/8 on the plug down there.
Now get your bottom one. I don't know what size it is, I can see it. Is that it?
No, smaller. So guys, anytime you're dealing with equipment, you're gonna have struggles. This week has been struggle after struggle on equipment for me. I mean, this is little stuff, you know, call it, and if you can get it the next day, you can fix this. This is no problem. I'm gonna replace these belts because they were squeaking a little bit anyway, and I'm gonna put this part in it. I'm good to go. But I've got to rebuild the motor on the bucket truck. I got to rebuild the other two chippers. I mean, it's one thing after another. I mean, and if you're doing this kind of business, that's just part of it. I mean, you know, equipment tears up. I mean, I've gone 6 months, 9 months with no breakdowns at all. And then I've had breakdowns every other week and wanted to call it quits. So if you're a new guy starting out, just get ready, because sometimes you'll get on the struggle bus. I mean, the struggle bus. I'm just talking to you two, telling them how life is. You know how life is?
I don't take it. I take it off right here.
Should be.
I don't know. It's ready to come out.
Yeah.
Probably have to take both of them on the side.
There's boats, 2 boats down at the bottom. You have to take them out also, but they're already out. So they should be able to slide on out.
Take that side up.
sit right there. Oh, come on. You sit it right here on the table.
Oh, you got little bitty boats.
Oh, there's a nut inside there. Okay.
You ain't gonna take that off.
No.
I bet you can just, I bet you take these bolts right here. I bet that plastic comes out.
Yep. Yeah. They're not even. Have you ever seen a fan like that?
No. Show me how to have it. Don't have fun putting that back together. But like a crossword puzzle.
You know what's crazy is my brother-in-law does 3D printing. I bet you he could probably come up with something. Multiple wing. Man, they got a manufacturer on this. I got a buddy of mine. He looks up parts all the time.
Yeah.
See, it has a number on it right here. And then on here, they stamped it. Multiple wing. So, I'm fixing to go Google it. Search the interwebber. You gonna take the belt off?
Yeah, that thing. Alternator rod, don't you?
Yeah.
There you go.
I think I found it.